Myself, B.N. Kalunkhe, Head Department of Zoology, RBNB College, Rampur. Today I am going to discuss on cropland ecosystem, food chains and food webs. Food chains and food webs. The first cropland ecosystem. Cropland ecosystem is an artificial ecosystem. It is an artificial ecosystem. In such ecosystem, abiotic factors are mainly soil, water, air, and temperature. These are abiotic factors of a cropland ecosystem. Soil, water, air, that is atmospheric factors. Soil, water, air, and temperature. And biotic factors are mainly crops, variety of crops. That is producers. Then herbivorous animals feeding on crops. Carnivorous animals, that is predatory animals that feeds on herbivorous animals, commonly called as consumers. They are called as consumers. And decomposers. These are biotic components of cropland ecosystem. It includes cultivation of crops in a particular area of field. Cultivation of a particular crop in a particular area of the field. There are different types of crops. For example, jawar, rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane, etc., along with vegetables. These are the certain different types of crops: jawar, paddy or rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane, cotton, different vegetables. And these crops are in the ecosystem, they are called as producers. They are called as producers. These variety of crops, they absorb sunlight. And with the help of soil nutrients and water, that is with the help of temperature, soil nutrients and water, they produce their own food material. The food is primary source of energy. Energy is called as capacity to do work. And these variety of crops are producers. or they are also called as autotrophs. Then consumers. Consumers are also called as heterotrophs. Consumers are also called as heterotrophs. They are not able to produce their own food material. They are not able to produce their own food material. They are dependent on plants, that is producers, to obtain their food material. Animals are not able to synthesize their food material. They are dependent on producers, that is plants, to obtain their food material. And that food is main source of energy in animals, all kinds of animals. In all kinds of animals, it is a source of energy, primary source. Consumers, that is heterotrophs, they are primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary, secondary and tertiary consumers or top consumers. In case of cropland, crop ecosystem, that is cultivation of crops, crop ecosystem. Primary, for example, consumers are variety of insects. They are commonly called as, for example, pest animals. Pest of jawar, for example, pest of paddy, pest of wheat, maize, sugarcane, or vegetables. A very large number of insects, they feed upon such plant material. Similarly, there are large number of animals which also consume or feed on such crops. They are called as non-insect pests. For example, rat, squirrel, etc. Here, for example, in case of crop ecosystem, any crop is a producer. The animals which feed on crops, for example, grasshopper. Grasshopper, it is an insect. Or another herbivorous animal, any herbivorous animal, for example, rabbit. It is called as primary consumer. For example, grasshopper is a primary consumer. Frog feeds upon grasshoppers. Or here, rat also, that feeds on crops, variety of crops. Frog is called as secondary consumer. Frog is a secondary consumer. And frog is eaten by snakes. Frog is eaten by, or rat is eaten by a snake. Snake is called as a tertiary consumer. And finally, for example, snakes are eaten by predatory birds. These birds, hawk, kite, eagle, owl, etc., predatory birds, are called as top carnivorous animals or top predatory animals. Here this one is called as food chain. Producer is a first trophic level. Herbivorous animals are, that is consumers, are the secondary consumers, and finally tertiary consumers. For another example, in a crop field, crop is eaten by rabbit or domestic animal, sheep, goat. That goat is eaten by or rabbit, a fox, wolf, and finally they are eaten by top carnivores. These are the different components of an cropland ecosystem, and there is a transfer of food energy from food material. That is, herbivores take food material from crops. When predatory animals feed upon herbivores, they take food material from herbivorous animals. That is, there is a transfer of energy from food source at each trophic level. For example, producer is a first trophic level, herbivores is second trophic level, and predatory animals is, for example, third trophic level. There is a transfer of energy from one trophic level to another trophic level. And during this transfer of energy, there is a loss of energy. Large amount of energy is lost. Large amount of energy is lost. And very less amount of energy that reaches at the top carnivore level. Very less amount of energy. When food chain is long, it is commonly called as food chain. Food chain. It is a food chain. When food chain is longer, very less amount of energy reaches at the top carnivore level. And when food chain is short, as compared amount of energy that reaches at the top carnivore level is more. It is more. But when food chain is longer, very less amount of energy reaches at the top carnivore level. These are the different components of cropland ecosystem. Abiotic factors and biotic factors. Biotic factors, that is producers, consumers, and decomposers. The decomposers here these are microbes. These are microbes, microorganisms. For example, bacteria, fungi. These are called as microbes. Decomposer animals, that is microbes, bacteria, fungi, they feed upon dead organic matter. They feed on dead organic matter. When there is a death of animal, they degrade the dead body of animals. They feed upon dead organic material of plant or animal. It may be plant or animal. They feed upon dead organic material from animal or plant. And these microbes are again eaten by another organisms. These organisms are called as detritivores. They are called as detritivores. They are called as detritivores. And finally, when there is a death of detritivores, they are converted into nutrients, and that nutrients are mixed in soil. And finally, from the soil, nutrients are again used by plants for production of their own food material. That is, nutrients are recycled from dead body of animals into finally they are absorbed by the plants at the time of production of their own food material. Then that food material is stored in the body of plants. For example, here crops. Food material is stored in the body of crop. It is about a cropland ecosystem. Next one is food chains and food web. As already discussed, in all ecosystems, the primary source of energy is a food material. Primary source of energy is food material for all animals and plants. The food material that contains nutrients are called as foodstuffs. Mainly carbohydrates in case of plants. Food is obtained from two different sources. Plant origin, that is from plant sources. It is also obtained by omnivorous animals, for example human being, or carnivorous animal. It is obtained from animal source, for example eggs, fishes, meat. That food material is called as animal origin food material. Animal origin food material. That animal origin food material, that is for example fish or meat of sheep, goat, etc. that contains high amount of protein. That is amino acids. And animal origin food material, that is for example obtained from crops. Comparatively, that contains less amount of proteins. That mainly plant origin food material, that mainly contains carbohydrates. That is the simple sugars, carbohydrates or sugar. And that sugars, that is carbohydrates, are sources of energy. Carbohydrates are main source of energy as compared to protein and fat. Carbohydrates are main source of energy. And in all ecosystems, such food material is a main source of energy, and that energy is transferred from one trophic level to another trophic level. Energy is transferred from one trophic level to another trophic level. And during this transfer, there is a loss of energy. energy gradually decreases. Here, producers is a first trophic level. Consumers are second trophic levels. For example, herbivores. Carnivores are third trophic level. Energy passes or transfers at each trophic level. For example, producer is a first trophic level that passes from producer to herbivores in the body of herbivorous animals, and from herbivorous animals it passes into body of carnivorous animals. And at each successive trophic level there is a loss of energy in the form of heat or respiration process, for example. And this sequence of or path or sequence of eating and being eaten sequence of eating and being eaten in an ecosystem, it is called as a food chain. For example, cropland ecosystem. The sequence of eating and being eaten that starts from producers, that is green plant. For example, crop that is eaten by, for example, insect called as grasshopper. Grasshoppers are eaten by frogs. Frogs are eaten by snakes. Snakes are eaten by predatory birds, for example, kite, owl, eagle, etc. This one is called as sequence of eating. It is called as sequence of eating. Grasshoppers feed upon crop or any plant material. These insects are eaten by frogs. For example, frogs are eaten by snakes, and snakes are eaten by predatory birds. It is a sequence. It is a sequence of transfer of food material. And from such food material, energy is transferred. For another simple example, in grassland ecosystem, grass is eaten by grazing animals. For example, cattle, deer, rabbit. Rabbit is eaten by small predatory animal. Fox, wolf, or wild dogs. These are smaller predatory animals. And such smaller predatory animals are again eaten by top carnivores. For example, lion. This animal is not eaten by any other organism or animal. This one animal, that is top carnivore, is not eaten by any other animal. And there is a transfer of food, that is energy, from grass to body of herbivore, for example, rabbit, from body of rabbit in the body of fox, wolf or wild dog, and from such small predatory animals that passes into body of top carnivores. It is a simple food chain, single lined food chain, for example in a grassland or in a forest ecosystem. For example, in a aquatic ecosystem, for example pond ecosystem, the food chain that includes first stage phytoplanktons, zooplanktons, smaller fishes, larger fishes, large fishes or water snakes, and finally predatory birds. It is a food chain in aquatic ecosystem. It may be seawater, it may be fresh water, pond, river water, etc. It is a food chain found in water bodies. It is about various food chains. There are main two kinds of food chains. Grazing food chain, for example in a grassland or forest. Grass, grazing animals, that is herbivores and carnivores. It is grazing food chain. And another type is detritus food chain, as already discussed. Detritus food chain that starts from dead organic matter, that is dead body of animal or plant, that is consumed by microbes, bacteria, fungi. Bacteria, fungi, they are consumed by detrivorous animals, for example crab. And then when there is a death of detrivorous animals, the body molecules, that is nutrients, from the detrivorous bodies, they are mixed finally in the soil. They are mixed in the soil, and from soil they are again used by plants to produce their own food material. These are the two different types of food chains, grazing food chain and detritus food chain. Then next one is food web. Food web is a natural interconnection with many food chains. Many food chains are combined together and a complex network-like structure is formed. A complex structure is formed, net-like structure is formed. That one is called as food web. That is, different such food chains are interconnected with each other, and there is a transfer of energy between such different food chains. For example, a plant material. It is eaten by rabbit. It is also eaten by cattle or deer, for example. Rabbit is eaten by, for example, wild dog or cat family, cats, wild cats. Here plants are eaten by insects, grasshopper. Grasshoppers are eaten by frog. Frogs are eaten by snakes. and snakes are eaten by hawk. These animals are again eaten. For example, birds, predatory birds, or deer. Deers, for example, rabbit is eaten by cats, small carnivores. Deer that also feeds on plant material. Finally, it is eaten by lion. That is, the various food chains are interconnected with each other, and that is called as a food web.